Tensions are escalating between South Korea and Japan as Japan's trade restrictions kick in today, which will make it harder for South Korean companies to buy materials used to make chips and smartphones. And Finance Minister Hong Nam-gi denounces Tokyo's export restrictions, saying they are a clear act of economic retaliation, and that South Korea will soon decide on when to file a complaint with the WTO. The U.S., Britain, France, and Germany sent a joint letter to all UN member states late last month, calling for the return of all North Korean workers by the end of 2019. And North Korea is accusing the U.S. of being more and more hell-bent on hostile acts.